Welcome to Social5. Today we'll teach you how to use the Social5 app to preview your content and manage the contacts that you have collected through your mobile marketing suite. The Social5 app can be accessed through the Social5 website at social5.com. You'll see a button right at the top of the screen that says log in. This will allow you to access your content preview portal. Here is the login page where you'll put in your username and password. If you haven't received your username and password, please contact us at support@social5.com and we'll just shoot that right back over to you. When you log in, it will take you to this screen where you'll have a chance to see all of the content that is in the queue for your campaign. You'll see the text and the imagery that are waiting to go out on the social media channels that you have selected. A few options that you should look at with this app. The first one is this arrow at the bottom of the screen that allows you to shuffle between different pieces of content that our team has written on your behalf. You'll be able to see up at the top which channels we intend to publish that content on. You'll be able to enlarge the photo if you'd like to using this button. You can also see when that piece of content is scheduled to deploy, and if you want to publish it at a different time, simply click on that day and time and it'll allow you to adjust the timing of publication on your page. But the most exciting part of this is the message bubble beneath every single post in your app, which allows you direct access to your Social5 writing team. If you'd like to make a comment about a post, simply click on the message bubble and leave some feedback about a given post. Or if you happen to be looking at a longer form piece of content like a blog, what you can do is highlight in the app the piece of content that you would like to make an edit on or comment on, and allow you to send those edits directly to our writing team. Super easy, right? If we go further into the app, if you click on the little person icon at the bottom of the screen, this will allow you to manage your contacts collected through your mobile marketing suite. The first button allows you to look at all of the contacts that you have collected throughout the duration of your campaign. New allows you to see which contacts you've collected since you last opened the app. And then this button on the side allows you to add contacts one by one if you would like. If you want to go outside your mobile marketing suite to do that, you're welcome to do so. And then lastly, tools will allow you to download all of the contacts that you've collected as part of your Social5 campaign, or to upload contacts from Gmail or other email lists that you may be managing. Lastly, we'll click on the settings icon here that allow you to go and change out your photo, to rewrite an introductory email, to change your password, and do some of those managerial functions on your account. Hopefully that is helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@social5.com. Thank you very much.